We're getting a lot of good information from you today. Anything else that you want to talk about that you think in particular for our listeners would be great for them to hear in terms of what you do with your practice and, the practice of law?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I think some of, what I'd like to portray is, how we talked about my background and learning how to become a litigator and how being a litigator sort of transcends almost every area of my practice, right? Because with knowing how trials actually go,
Sure.
you know what to look at sort of down the road, what will be helpful in this trial. So if you can start there and then work yourself backwards, I think you have such a better perspective on how the case should be defended or, prosecuted. Even in a plaintiff situation, we prosecute cases not on a government level, but, for me, I feel like having that litigation experience has helped me be a better negotiator on certain cases.
Okay.
It's helped me look at, like what you said, do I want to see if there was surveillance, for this type of situation? Do I want the surveillance or not? Sometimes you have to talk to your client about that, but having the evidence to prepare for your case early, you having that trial mindset, that's what you would already have in your mind, that I may need evidence for this. So if I get it early, it may also help me resolve the case, and I think having good negotiation skills,
Sure.
Even in criminal cases, matrimonial cases, the goal is to try to settle the case in the best manner possible for your client, and sometimes with billable cases or charging clients, for me, because my business is more so based on a word of mouth and referral business. So for me, I'd rather get the best for the client early as opposed to maybe billing, dragging things out from the money perspective.
Sure.
So I feel like I've been so much more successful in getting the right result as soon as I can, and making the client happy as soon as possible. That's not always possible, though.
Sure.
I have cases that drag out for years.
Sure.
But I just think that having that background of prosecutor, learning the side of a prosecutor, then learning the side of defending, and also using that training in other areas of law has been very helpful, for me as a practicing attorney in New York.